Hello. If we want to start programming in Python, first we need an integrated development environment to edit and run our program. Installing Python and necessary packages for data science, machine learning applications, large-scale data processing, predictive analysis, etc. is challenging for a novice, but it is necessary if one wants to learn and practice. The steps to be followed for installing these packages should also be simple. Everyone will give a different method to install packages, but in this video, I have shown how to do this simply in Windows environment. Spider is an IDE that is distributed along with R programming and other packages in Anaconda. OpenCV for Python is a library used for developing computer vision applications. Anaconda also includes Jupyter Notebook, which is a web-based IDE used to code and test Python programs. So, Anaconda is a platform. It is not an IDE. It is a Python distribution and helps to install or uninstall packages. Different versions of packages can be installed or uninstalled using the package management system called Conda provided in Anaconda. Searching for a specific package and installing it is simplified in this distribution. We can either use the basic environment provided in the distribution, or we can create our own environment and install only the packages we required. Installing Anaconda distribution will install automatically the Spider, Jupyter, all language packages, matplot libraries, NumPy, and SkyPy. If you want to learn from Python community, go to anaconda.org and register with your name and email ID. To install Anaconda, go to the top left and click on the download Anaconda link. It will take you to the Anaconda distribution web page. Click on the download button for Windows. If you have other operating systems like Linux or Macintosh, choose the corresponding links found below the download button. Now it is being downloaded. After downloading completes, I cut that file and paste it in the required folder. Now double click on that file to execute it. The Anaconda setup window opens. Press next button. The license agreement window opens. Press I agree button. Then select all users radio button. Press the next button. Now you have to choose the folder in which Anaconda is to be installed. By default, it will be installed in C drive, but I am choosing the folder Anaconda created by me in D drive using the browse button. Now press the next button. In the next window, tick the second checkbox and then press the install button. Now, Anaconda is being installed with all basic tools and packages. At the end, next button will be enabled. Press it. In the next window, click on the finish button. Now, you will see a message that is asking you to register for Anaconda Nucleus, but you have already registered for it. To open Anaconda Navigator, Go to Start menu of Windows operating system and click on All Apps. Choose Anaconda 3 from the drop-down menu and select Anaconda Navigator. You will see all applications. You can click on the launch button under Spider to open it. If you want to install our language package, you can use the install button provided under our studio icon. All these applications are available under the base or root channel or environment. If you want to view only the installed applications, choose the option Installed Applications from the drop-down menu given at the top left portion of the window. If you want to see the applications not installed by default in the Anaconda, choose the option Not Installed from the drop-down menu or combo box given at the top left portion. If you want, you can install the applications using Install button. You can also view the applications that can be updated using the same combo box. However, if you want to install the packages or applications not shown here, or if you want to create your own environment in Anaconda, watch my next video.